In this episode, we are going to take a look at filming with a single lens. Okay, another cold day, and I'm going to show you what it's like to film with the AVATA360 using the RC2 and only a single lens, not 360. It's kind of weird, but I don't know, maybe you'll like it or maybe you won't. Check it out. AVATA360 is over here, and currently you can see it's in single lens mode, but as soon as I take off, it's going to go into 360 mode because that's what I have it set to. So let's watch. Go like that, and I'll lift it up. And it flicks over to 360 lens. So on my remote, I could switch it to single lens. So I just could tap that, and you can see it's on 360, and I'm going to touch on single and watch this lens at the same time. Going to single. There we go. Now it's just looking to the front. One lens, one 4K camera. Okay, I'm going to turn the record on. What's the first thing you notice now that I'm recording? Isn't the image, look at my screen, isn't it kind of tilted? That's because it only records in FPV mode. And there's another issue with it too. Watch this. I'm going to cause this entire gimbal to move all the way down. Watch how far it goes down. Can you see it? That's it. It doesn't go any farther. It doesn't go 90 degrees down. And I want to go all the way up. Now up it goes up a lot higher. You can see I'm going up, and that's as high as it goes. And if I want to put it back to the front, I just hit my C1. And there we go, we're back to the front. Here's why I say you might like it or you might not like it. Once again, only records in like an FPV type of filming mode. It doesn't matter if you have the goggles or you have the remote. So watch what happens when I go and I take this drone and go this way and this way and this way and this way. Watch the image. Here we go. Goes like that. It's like we're on. It's like a stormy night on the seas. Look at the image. It's all over the place. Whoa, that's the way it records. So that's your single lens mode on the AVATA360. So watch what happens when I fly around here to film. Here, I'll go film this structure. I'll go around it and stuff, but I'll film it. Here we go. So this is what you would get. It's like flying an FPV drone. See, the wind's got the whole camera tilted, going around. You only have obstacle avoidance in the front as well. You have none in the back, so do not fly backwards in this mode. You will crash. But there you go. So that was going around the structure. Here I am, going overhead. And we can go this way. Just got to miss the trees. And then come around. I'm going to go up a bit. And you see, as I bank, it banks. There we are. Up higher, miss that tree. Got the whole area here, and as I bank, it's going to bank all over the place. There we are. So I think some will like it, maybe others won't like it so much. Anyways, let's find the little H on my screen and bring it back to me. There I am. There's the structure and there's me. And coming over by me for a landing. Right by my head. I will say the AVATA360, super simple to fly. My grandma could fly this. All right, bring her down. You see it's got little feet here? Those are the feet, the landing legs. I wonder if it's gonna flip and put the landing legs down when I land, or is it gonna stay like that? Going down. It flipped. All right, that's pretty cool.